This is how to find a class on cunyfirst. You click search from your student center, and you're going to put in your college and the term. I'm looking for a class, Comp Sci 111. And it's exactly 111. We're going to click this filter to show open classes only, and we're going to scroll down and click the search button. So now we can see only the open classes for Comp Sci 111. Shows you the section, which is basically the version of the class. This class is both a lecture and a lab requirement. Shows you the dates and the times, the room number, the instructor, and whether it's open, closed, or waitlisted. Open is a green circle, closed is a blue square, and waitlist is a yellow triangle. Waitlist means you can sign up to be on the waitlist for the class, but you won't be enrolled in it. You can only enroll in a class that is open. Now we're going to go back to modify search. We're going to uncheck the open classes so we can see everything: closed, open, waitlist. And for Comp Sci 111, it looks like the only options are open or closed. And that's about it.